are a small nation in terms of land mass and 99% sea, we take very seriously sustainability. And that's why in the ambit of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we have just the Council Minister end of December adopted a national policy for sustainable tourism development with the vision for 2030, which is very much along the line of those SDGs supported by 17 SDGs supported by the UN. And I should say, of course, as we all know, that tourism is a cross-cutting sector. It really cuts just about all the 17 SDGs are somehow or other linked to tourism. Our tourism, of course, because the country is 99% water, is deeply rooted and linked to the sea. And in that sense, the blue economy has the elements that cut across, all the way from renewable energy, where the country, for example, where today we're about over 20% renewable energy use. We adopted a strategic plan for renewable energy, which will be very much having a low footprint, carbon footprint in our tourism sustainability. And by 2030, we expect to be over 50% renewable energy. Tourism, when we talk about it in a nation such as Cabo Verde, which is an archipelagic nation, there are 10 islands, 9 of which are inhabited, each one of which has a special microcosm. It's important that we translate the national policy to the local level, because tourism is really happens on the ground. So that we work very closely with each of the 22 different municipalities, which is local government, so that we have a program that we're just launching now. It's called One Tourist, One Family. And it's looking to actually take the benefit of tourism to the local family. Tourism can only really be well monitored through an observatory system. We're currently developing one. We need to know more specifically really how tourism really works. You know, what are the seasonality and what is the experience tourists are looking for? And then how can we best respond in the context of sustainable tourism? Tourism is a natural resource. As such, it must be sustainable. And it's for that reason that we need to have the data source, and today, of course, with the capacity, the digital world, with artificial intelligence, we are able to manage large data. And we can granulate and find out really the tastes, the likes and dislikes, so we can actually develop the policy that is congruent with what really is also the tourist wish to find.